Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Every relationship experiences disagreements. The problem is not conflict itself, the problem is how we handle it. Many fights are not really about the issue at hand. They are often about feeling unheard, feeling unappreciated, unmet emotional needs, past hurts, fear of rejection, or misunderstandings. The goal is not to win the argument, the goal is to protect the connection. So, why do couples keep fighting? Often, people are fighting for one of these reasons: the need to be right. When both people are trying to prove a point, nobody feels understood. Instead of asking, how can I win this argument? Ask, how can we solve this together? A relationship is not you versus them. It is about of you versus the problem. Second is the unhealed emotional triggers. Sometimes a small situation creates a huge reaction. Why? Because the current situation is activating an old wound. Fear of abandonment, feeling ignored, childhood criticism, rejection, or past betrayal. Healing begins when you recognize, what am I truly reacting for? Or what am I truly reacting to? Third is the poor communication habits. Many arguments become worse because of interruption or interrupting anyone who is speaking, blaming, sarcasm, silent treatment, shouting, or making assumptions. Communication breaks down when people stop listening and start defending. Mindset shifts that reduce conflict. Shift 1: listen to understand, not to respond. Most people listen while preparing their next argument. Instead, listen with curiosity. Ask, what are they really trying to express? Feeling understood is often more important than being agreed with. Shift 2: replace blame with expression. Instead of saying, you'll never care about me, try, I feel hurt when I don't feel heard. Blame creates defensiveness. Honest expression creates connection. Shift 3: choose connection over ego. Sometimes relationships suffer because neither person wants to take the first step toward peace. Healing begins when someone chooses love over pride. So always remember, dear friends, being right does not always make you happy. Being connected often does. So, dear friends, shift 4: stop bringing the past into every argument. If every disagreement includes old mistakes, old fights, old disappointments, and then healing becomes difficult in such situations. Resolve today's issue without reopening every wound from the past. Shift 5: learn to pause. Not every emotion needs an immediate reaction. When angry, take a few deep breaths, step away briefly, calm your nervous system, then return to the conversation. A calm response creates better outcomes than an emotional reaction. So, healing communication practices. Daily appreciation. Every day, appreciate at least one thing about your partner or loved one. Small appreciation prevents emotional distance. Active listening. When someone speaks, don't interrupt. Don't prepare a defense. Listen fully and carefully. Reflect back what you heard. People heal when they feel heard. Use I feel statements instead of you always ignore me. Say, I feel disconnected when we don't spend time together. This reduces conflict and increases understanding. Schedule difficult conversations. Not every discussion should happen in the middle of anger. Choose a calm time to talk. Healing conversations require emotional safety. Healing affirmations for relationships. Repeat daily. I choose understanding over conflict. I communicate with love and respect. I listen with an open heart. My relationships are healing through honest communication. Peace, patience, and understanding flow through my relationship. So, dear friends, final message. Healthy relationships are not relationships without conflict. They are relationships where two people learn how to communicate, understand, and grow together through conflict. Every argument is an opportunity to choose ego or understanding, reaction or awareness, blame or healing, and often one small shift in communication can transform an entire relationship. Because love grows where understanding is present. Hope, dear friends, you liked my video. Do share, subscribe for more contents. Till then, signing off, Dr. Swati. Spread love. Thank you. Goodbye.